Now to the case involving former Trump Organization CFO Alan Weisselberg. He pleaded guilty to evading taxes in a deal that could mean big trouble for the former president.
All right, Fox 5's Antoine Lewis live in Lower Manhattan, where court proceedings wrapped up just a short time ago. Antoine.
Well, the defendant will be serving time in jail, 5 months to be exact, but what he was facing was a whole lot more.
One of the conditions of the plea deal for former Trump Organization Chief Financial Officer Alan Weisselberg on fraud and tax evasion charges is that he will have to truthfully testify against the Trump Organization when it goes to trial for similar accusations in October. Testimony that legal experts say could be quite damning.
The real question is what can't be revealed.
Andrew Lieb is a Long Island-based civil litigation attorney.
This guy knows what's under every rock, every pebble, and they're being charged with doing all sorts of tax dodging schemes. And who knows better about tax dodging than your company's CFO?
75-year-old Weisselberg pleaded guilty Thursday to 15 counts for his role in an elaborate tax evasion scheme in which prosecutors say he took about $1.7 million in off-the-book perks, including rent on an Upper West Side apartment, cars, and private school tuition for his grandchildren. The Manhattan District Attorney's Office indicted Weisselberg and the organization last year as part of an investigation into alleged widespread tax evasion practices between March of 2005 and June of last year. Prosecutors have also been investigating whether Mr. Trump or his company lied to banks or the government about the value of its properties to obtain loans or reduce tax bills. Manhattan District Attorney Alvin Bragg released a statement shortly after Thursday's hearing saying Weisselberg's plea directly implicates the Trump Organization in a wide range of criminal activity. We look forward to proving our case in court against the Trump Organization. Weisselberg's lawyer Nicholas Gravante said his client pleaded guilty to put an end to this case and the years-long legal and personal nightmares it has caused for him and his family. And while the former president has not been charged in connection with the case, Lieb says it is nonetheless bad news.
This is serious, and it's going to push other people to be flipping on Trump and the Trump Organization as time moves on to save their own skin.
Recapping, Lori, Weisselberg was given a split sentence, 5 months and a 5-year probation. Now, if he violates his plea deal, he could actually be spending 15 years in jail. He must also repay the money with interest. It's now somewhere around $1.9 million. Back inside to you.
All right, Antoine, thank you. A judge denies bail for the man accused of